Viewed in cross-section, a modern microchip is a dense, three-dimensional skyscraper. It stretches through over 100 vertical layers, housing billions of interconnected transistors. Every microscopic connection across all of those layers must align perfectly. Even a fractional deviation breaks the circuit and ruins the hardware. Mass-producing this circuitry relies on traditional lithography. A powerful light source projects through a physical blueprint, called a mask, and is guided by optics to transfer patterns onto a silicon wafer. At macroscopic scales, this process is intuitive. A perfect one-to-one blueprint guarantees an identical physical copy on the final page. This one-to-one relationship holds true for printing books or maps, but it collapses entirely at the scale of single nanometers. As chip features shrink smaller than the wavelength of the light used to print them, the physical rules of projection change. Light waves hit diffraction limits. As photons pass through macroscopic openings, they scatter, inherently warping the image before it ever reaches the silicon. This diagram illustrates the resulting chemical failure. Photoresists on the wafer react unpredictably to blurred light gradients, further deforming the printed pattern. At the extreme nanoscale, a geometrically perfect physical blueprint produces a corrupted, failing chip. Overcoming this barrier requires an entirely different engineering approach: computational lithography. Engineers use massive algorithmic models to calculate exact physical deformations of light and chemistry before a single photon is fired. To achieve exact nanometer precision, the system preemptively distorts the light, the physical mask, and the optics. By calculating the exact physical errors, it applies mathematical predistortions to cancel them out. Algorithms model the entire optical path to predict exactly how a pattern will print. The intervention begins at the very beginning, the light emitting from the source. Standard uniform illumination lacks localized contrast to resolve dense nanometer features, resulting in blurred edges. To resolve this, the system deploys source optimization tools. The algorithm simulates thousands of optical variations to find the ideal illumination profile for a specific layer of the chip. First, it meticulously adjusts the localized intensity of the light, increasing or decreasing power at exact coordinates. Second, it manipulates the shape and angular directionality of the light beam itself. This customized illumination profile drastically increases contrast, producing sharper images of critical chip features. In extreme lithography, light functions as a mathematically sculpted variable, specifically tailored to the target chip geometry. The algorithm then moves one step down the optical path to the mask, the physical blueprint. As the sculpted light is forced through nanometer-scale geometric slits, it diffracts. Mask optimization algorithms calculate exactly how that diffraction will occur. The engineering solution is to intentionally deform the geometric shapes drawn on the blueprint. The algorithm mathematically alters the main edges of the target feature, adding jagged serifs to corners that the model predicts will round off during printing. Next, it introduces sub-resolution assist features. These microscopic shapes on the mask are too small to print, but physically steer diffracted light back toward the target. When light hits this mutated blueprint, it diffracts exactly as predicted. Applied distortions and optical errors perfectly cancel each other out. The mask is no longer a recognizable picture of the circuit. It is a complex, pre-calculated optical correction device. The final stage of the path involves the optics, the lenses and mirrors responsible for harnessing the corrected light. The high-intensity light required for extreme lithography transfers immense energy into the components guiding it. This energy transfer heats and deforms the lenses and mirrors during operation. Even a single picometer of thermal lens deformation will misalign the entire projection on the 100-layer skyscraper. To maintain precision, engineers deploy wavefront optimization algorithms. Unlike a statically etched mask, this system actively tracks thermal expansion in real time as the machinery heats up. Using closed-loop feedback, the system dynamically reshapes the light's wavefront to compensate for the warped lenses on the fly. Flawless nanoscale printing requires continuous error correction because the machine physically alters itself simply by operating. Looking at this diagram of the entire optical path, you see all three stages working as a unified whole. A perfectly functioning microchip is only possible because source, mask, and wavefront optimizations are simultaneously pre-distorting the image to cancel out the physical limits of light. The computational burden of calculating these fluid variables in real time is massive. These calculations are iterated pattern by pattern, horizontally across a single layer of the circuit. The system continuously recalibrates to stack these corrected patterns layer upon layer, physically building the vertical structure. This precise choreography is repeated perfectly across hundreds of discrete chips, wafer by wafer, at extreme volume for mass production. The global economy relies on lithography systems maintaining this standard of precision at relentless mass production speeds. As the demand for more powerful processors accelerates, the physical barriers to patterning these features become increasingly hostile. Hardware hits physical walls, but the predictive models of computational lithography allow the industry to bypass the diffraction limit and sustain nanometer-scale manufacturing.